ко мне в ремонт зашла. Вот такая плата от Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Она уже паялась. Никаких признаков жизни не подает. Буду делать перекидку.
Smoking like a motherfucker, high than a motherfucker, bitch, please stop the playing. Says all I wanna boys, get to the mother boys, we can hear a word you saying. We don't know your name, can't hang with the gang crowd, jumping when the bass get banging. All I need's dope, so I gotta get paid. Never see me on the stage, just some money is a brain. My head 1080, my T240, my plus 4K. In my dope, you couldn't load it. If they call it with a price, we don't